Welcome to the Clipper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to move shape position on Microsoft Word. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Word and then open any document. So at first, if I create a shape, just click on Insert tab and then click on Shapes option. Choose any shape style. If I select it, now create a shape. You have to just press and hold your mouse left key. And that's it. You can see the shape has been created successfully. Now if you want to change your shape position, just select your shape and you can see the shape is still locked. I cannot change the shape position, so you have to just select the shape again and then click on this icon. You can see it select in line with text. You have to select another option. If I select it and then close the window, and now you can see I can change the shape position. Also, if you cannot find this option here, just select your shape and then click on shape format tab, then click on wrap text. From here choose any option. If I select in front of text, and it's done. You can see it's moving successfully. And that is how you can move shape position on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.